My name is Miesha Lavé, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my overnight rice water routine. Before we get into this video, I want to talk about the rice that I will be using in this video. I partnered with a company called beauteseoul, and they have a rice water kit. Like, oh my gosh, who would have knew? But it is so easy, it's no hassle, and it's super affordable. This kit will be so great for any type of rice water routine you're trying to do. All you guys have been asking me so many questions on how to make rice water, what to do when you make rice water, and this will solve all your problems and answer all your questions. If you guys are interested in seeing this video, go ahead and keep on watching. Everything you need will be included in this bag. So they give you a spray bottle, which is cool, so you can put your rice and everything in. And these are the rice packages. This is what it comes in. So it already has the directions on how you should use it, and also a recommendation of how long you should leave the water sitting and everything like this. So everything will be included on the packaging. And they give you a lot of rice packages.
So they give you 5 steps you should go by. First step is pour 1 cup and a half a cup of water over the rice bag inside of a cup, and I have a bowl. It says immerse the rice bag for a minimum of 12 hours to ferment. Once it has been fermented, drain the rice water into a spray bottle. So you're going to put it into the bowl, let it ferment, and then drain your water into your rice water spray bottle. Step 4, wash and condition your hair. And once you rinse out your conditioner, spray the rice water onto your hair. And the last step, step 5, it says aiming for your scalp. Gently massage and leave it in for 15 to 30 minutes before rinsing out.
So I'm going to do the rice water differently. I'm going to leave it on my hair overnight. This is my overnight routine with rice water. You can go by the directions that they give you, or you can incorporate it into your own routine. Whatever works best for you. Oh, okay, so this is a protector bag, and this is the rice. We're just going to put the rice bag into the bowl, and I have measuring cups. So I'm going to do 1 cup of water and then a half cup of water. So I'm just going to cover this with some saran wrap, and we're going to let it ferment for 12 hours.